Hello guys, welcome back to another class. So before we dive in, please don't forget to subscribe, like the video and share the video. Thank you so much and let's get started. Solve the equation. So what's the equation? The equation is minus 2, open the bracket, 5x plus 4, close the bracket, minus 6x equals to minus 3, and we have open the bracket, 2x minus 6, close the bracket, minus 6. So this is the equation, right? We have it in an equation. So we have left hand side and the right hand side. So let's begin. So the first step here is to open the bracket. Open the bracket. Open the bracket. When you open the bracket, then you apply the multiplication rule. We have minus 2, meaning that take this minus 2 to multiply everything inside the bracket here. So that's the meaning. Minus 2 times minus 5x. What do we have? So minus times plus, we have minus. Write it first. Then we have 2 times 5. So what do we have? 10x. Minus times plus, we have minus. 2 times 4, we have 8. We have 8. So you write minus 6 equals to, let's move to the second one. Open the bracket as well. Minus 3 times 2. So we have minus 6x. Minus times minus, you have minus. Minus times minus, you have plus. You have plus, right? 3 times 6, you have 18. Minus 6, right? Is that clear? So now let's rearrange. When you rearrange, you will see where you have x and you will see where you have ordinary number. Separate them from each other. Minus 10x. There's another minus here. Minus 6x, right? There's another minus 6x. When it crosses to the other side, it will change sign to plus 6x equals to, then 18 minus 6. There's another minus 8 here. It won't change to sign. Your sign will change to plus 8, right? So let's say we have minus 10 plus minus 6 plus minus 6. So what we need to do here, look at what can go each other first. Minus 6 plus 6, that is not weighing. It's not weighing anymore. We have minus 10x, right? Equals to, we have 18 minus 6 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. So plus 8, right? So let's now multiply them together. So let's see what we have. let's see what we have. 6, 18 minus, okay, let's say 18. Let me do it so that you understand. 10x equals to 18. Now 6 minus 6 plus 8, that's plus 2. Then we have minus 10x equals to 20, right? Equals to 20. That's what we did so far. And here divide, because we are looking for the following of x. What we need to do is to divide both sides by 10, by minus 10 rather. Divide both sides by minus 10. So when you divide both sides by minus 10, result will be, so minus 10, minus 10. So minus 10 cancel minus 10, right? Here cancel this, here cancel this. What we have left is x equals to minus 2. S equals to minus 2. So that's what we have left. That's our answer. So let's check. What's the question? The question is minus 2, open the bracket, 5x plus 4. Then we have minus 6, right? We have minus 6x. We have minus 6x. Okay, yeah, we have minus 6x. Then equals to 3 and minus 3. Open the bracket, 2x minus 6. Close the bracket, minus 6, right? Here, what's the value of x? So that's where we are going to use the value of x. Minus 2, open the bracket, 5, open the small bracket. What's the value? Minus 2. The reason why I have the minus x, the reason why I don't want to multiply it immediately is because we have minus. So let me do it like this for you. So we have, open your bracket, then you have 5 and then minus 2 plus 4, right? Then minus 6. Your minus 6, and what's the value of x is minus 2, equals to minus 3, open the bracket. What's the value of x is minus 2, sorry. It's minus 2. It's minus 2, right? Close the bracket, minus 6 and minus 6. Here what we are going to do here, minus 2 still remain minus 2, right? Open the brackets. Now here what do we have? We have minus 10. We have minus 10 plus 4. Close the brackets. Here what do we have? Minus times minus, we have plus. We have plus. 6 times 2, we have 12, right? Equals to, here we still have minus 3, right? Open the brackets. Minus, here we have minus times plus minus, right? Right, minus 4, 2 times 2, we have 4. Then minus 6. close the bracket, everything minus 6. Here, let's say minus 2, open your brackets, minus 10 plus 4, you have minus 6. Meaning that this man is owing 10. So out of 10, he can only afford to pay 4. So that's why he still have minus. Plus 12 equals to, here minus 3, right? Then this one is owing. Is owing 4 and is owing 6. So minus 10. Minus 6, right? Now let's open the brackets. Minus times minus, we have plus. 2 times 6, we have 12 plus 12. 12 plus 12 equals to, minus times minus 3. 3 times 10, we have 30. 30 minus 6. 30 minus 6, what do we have so far? 30 minus 6. So we have 24 here equals to, here 30 minus 6, we have 24. You can see, so you can easily mark yourself. This is what you are going to get. Your left hand side must equal to the right hand side. So simple as that. So thank you so much. See you in the next class.